Coming up this morning, achieve your ideal summer look without ever going under the knife.
From diet to clothing, we're going to reveal the beauty secrets you can use to keep you summer ready.
Summertime, the perfect season to take some time off, maybe want to lose a little weight, get healthy, and look better without going under the knife. Our next guest, renowned plastic surgeon, Dr. T.Y. Stephen Ip, and he's here to share with us his favorite non-invasive beauty tips. Good morning.
Jessica, thanks for having me.
It's a pleasure. And I think people would say, wait a minute, the plastic surgeon is on to tell you how not to go under the knife. People would initially think, well, that's not helping business any.
Right. Well, I think it's really important to really do all the right things before pursuing surgery. And I think one of the more important things are what we have here on the table in terms of making your life better.
Well, let's talk about that, because you say, you talk to your patients and say, hey, before you go and do this, which is, you know, takes time to recover, it's a lot of money, there's things you can try at home first. So let's talk about exercise. What do you tell patients?
Yeah, exercise is so important, just good for your general health.
Yeah.
I think exercise is the first thing you should do before even pursuing surgery. You know, you have to have a nice lifestyle change, and that will progress even beyond after having surgery. So it's just going to maintain your nice, healthy lifestyle. And I think exercise is good for everyone to do it at least 2 or 3 times a day, or 2 or 3 times a week to make sure you maintain that. Yeah,
that makes sense. And then I see you have beautiful fruits and vegetables here, meaning your diet as well.
Diet is so important. We have some products out here, and I just want to explain what they're good for. So these are some of my favorite products. Tomatoes, okay, so what are we doing with a plate of tomatoes here? Well, tomatoes have selenium in it, and selenium is a really nice element that will help protect you from the sun. Sun damage, making your skin look better, age spots, even skin cancer can be prevented.
Yeah.
I think fruits are also important. In front of you, you can see there's some watermelon, okay? So watermelon's a summertime favorite, and it's laced with a lot of vitamin C, vitamin A, and 92% of it is actually water, so it keeps you hydrated.
Yeah.
And then finally, with the strawberries, you know, everyone thinks oranges have the highest content of vitamin C, but actually strawberries have even more vitamin C. Vitamin C is a cofactor to help regeneration of collagen, so it makes your skin even tighter and better.
So this is easy stuff that we can do.
Oh, everyone can do it.
Now, there are also many easy-to-find cosmetic products, different devices, things we want to try. They claim to plump up your lips or maybe push up your breasts, things like that we can do. What do you suggest there, doctor?
Well, there's a lot of gradations of products. You know, you can use the simplest ones. Some of them are less than $20. Yeah. And like this one by Too Faced, it's about 14 bucks. And you can see when you apply it, it will kind of swell your lips up and give you the illusion of fuller lips. There's some medical grade products made by Skin Medica, which are a little bit more pricey, but it's kind of made by the companies that produce those products that also enhance your lips.
Now, before a patient says, doctor, I want to get some enhancements in other places, you say, let's try what we could maybe purchase at the mall first.
Of course. Yeah, I think if you look at the far end there, you know, if you want to improve your contour of your body, there are some filler or some products that kind of enhance, but they're basically sizers or spacers, and both for the breasts and also even for the buttocks. And
this is my favorite part, doctor, because as you will see, she's got a bum like Kim Kardashian, but it's, what is that? What is in there?
Yeah,
padded underwear?
You know, yeah, it's the kind of padded underwear. It's like a silicone spacer, but you know, it's something you want to try before,
I have to.
before pursuing something more permanent. So you may want to try that for a few months to a year, and then when you finally decide, hey, you know, I want something more permanent, then surgery might be enough.
Non-invasive procedures, what do we have?
I think what I have here on the table is probably the most popular procedure, which are some of the fillers. There's a whole gradation of fillers. You know, this product happened to be Juvederm, and they have 3 really lines of products. You have the ones that are standard, which is a Juvederm, and then you have a Voluma and also a Volbella. It just depends on the density and where you want to inject. If you want to inject deeper, you can use a thicker product. If you want to inject in the lip, it's going to be a thinner product, more malleable, so it kind of flows a little bit better.
All right, we're out of time. We didn't get to talk about some of the other things on the table, but I think you get a gist of what those are. If you want to meet with Dr. Ip, he has locations in Beverly Hills, Newport Beach. For more information, you can log on to KTLA.com. Doctor, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.